Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the Lure project. So Lure is a new open source project that aspires to become the AUR for all distributions. So you already know AUR. AUR is nothing but the Arch Linux user repositories. So Arch Linux user repository is a community-driven repository for Arch-based Linux distributions. Long story short, it helps to install packages that are not available in the official repositories and let you get the latest releases. So this is the work, or this is the functionality of AUR. So similar functionality is being planned for the Lure project. So AUR will build a package from the source and then utilize the package manager Pacman to install it. So similarly, Lure, you can use your native package manager in your Linux distribution to install packages from the Lure repository. So it is very similar to the AUR. So AUR, that is this new open source project, aims to bring the utility of AUR to all Linux distributions. And it is full form of this Lure project is Linux user repository. Right now the Lure project is in alpha stage. Maybe now it is in beta. I think in some of the news I've seen that it is already now in beta stage, but on this web page it is old news. So at that time it was in alpha stage. So right now it is in beta stage, to be more precise. So earlier, developers had tried to make an AUR alternative, but only for a specific distribution, like the Make Deb package repository for Debian. But Lure is even more ambitious. Lure tries to become the repository of choice for all the Linux distributions. So it wants to become AUR for all the Linux distributions, we can say. So it will help you to create native packages for your Linux distribution using a script similar to the package build that is used in Debian. The developer mentions some of the technical details in a Reddit announcement post. My project is called Lure, short for the Linux user repository. It builds native packages and then installs them using the system package manager, just like AUR. It uses a build script similar to the AUR's package build to build the packages. It is written in pure Go, which means that it has zero dependencies after it is built, like any other privilege escalation command, like sudo do as etc. So it has got zero dependencies after the build. So once the package is built, all the dependencies are removed, or they don't have any dependencies. If you remember in AUR, if you try to install some packages from the AUR, the package manager might download some dependencies. Once the package is built by the package manager from the AUR, the dependency packages are then uninstalled, or you can say removed or purged from the system. So similarly, the functionality is there in the Lure. So Lure is promising that it has zero dependencies after it is built. So all the dependencies that are required for the building of the package will be removed, or they won't be there in first place itself. So right now the supported packages are Pacman, APT, APK, DNF, Yum, and Zyper. Zyper is the OpenSUSE package manager. How to use Lure, we will see in the next video. I will do the installation of the Lure repository using some scripts on a virtual machine. I will show you exactly how to install the Lure project on your Linux distribution, and then we can go ahead. We will check out how to install packages from the Lure repository. So that's it. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the Lure repository, how to install it. See you then. Bye bye.